Hi friends, this video shows how to reset advertising ID. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to privacy, go down, select ads, and here you can see advertising ID ending with 898. Google uses this advertising ID to store your activities and search history. Based on that, Google will show suggestions and ads. You can reset this advertising ID and create a new advertising ID. Here you can see reset advertising ID. Select it, select confirm. See, it's created new advertising ID here. We can also delete advertising ID. We can try this as well. So this way we can reset advertising ID. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.